In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to activate your new Barclays US card online. Follow the instructions below to quickly get your card ready for use. Step 1. Open your browser. First, open your preferred internet browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Step 2. Visit the Barclays US activation website. Type in the official Barclays US card activation URL, https www.barclaysus.com, activate into your browser's address bar, and press Enter. Step 3. Enter your card information. Once you're on the activation page, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. This typically includes your 16-digit card number, the 3-digit security code, CVV, from the back of your card, the expiration date of your card. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. Step 4. Log into your account. If you're not already logged in, you may need to log into your Barclays US online account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by selecting the Sign Up option and following the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Complete the activation. Once you've entered all the required information, click the Activate button. Your card should now be activated and ready to use. Step 6. Confirmation. After a few moments, you'll receive a confirmation message on the screen. You can now start using your card for purchases and enjoy the benefits that come with it. Additional tips. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the activation process. Keep your card handy during the process, as you'll need the card details. If you encounter any issues, visit the Barclays customer support page for further assistance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on managing your Barclays US account. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help.